So what does your IDE say about you? Let's be real. Your code editor is basically your digital spirit animal. You might think it's just a tool, but to the rest of us, it's a personality type, a philosophy, a lifestyle choice. And if you think this doesn't apply to you, you're either lying or using Notepad, in which case, blink twice if you need help. Let's start with the king of the modern dev jungle, VS Code. If you use VS Code, you're the kind of person who walks into Starbucks, orders something with oat milk, and still finds time to install 6 new extensions before the drink's ready. VS Code users love control, but not too much. You want customization, but in a click to install kind of way. Your workspace has 10 tabs open, a linter screaming in the corner, Copilot writing half your code, and you're still Googling how to center a div. You don't have one theme. You have a rotating mood board of themes you switch depending on the project, the weather, and your emotional state. VS Code is the dev equivalent of having a Spotify playlist for every possible vibe. Now, if you're rolling with IntelliJ or anything from JetBrains, congratulations. You are a serious developer. You write Java, or Kotlin, or Scala, or something else that scares junior devs. You didn't choose IntelliJ. IntelliJ emerged fully formed from the enterprise dimension and whispered, "Come, let me refactor that for you." You believe in static typing, design patterns, and paying for software. You don't just commit code, you architect it. And every time someone suggests using a lightweight editor, you laugh in JVM. Then there's Vim. Oh, Vim. If you use Vim, I respect you. I also fear you. You operate purely from muscle memory, like a martial artist who's trained in complete darkness. You don't use a mouse because it's too slow. Your entire coding experience is basically an extreme sport. You once spent 3 hours configuring a .vimrc file. Called it a good day. Nobody taught you Vim, you were summoned by it. And let's be honest, part of you loves that other people can't figure it out. Leaving Vim is still a mystery to most of the internet. Control+C, number escape, maybe. Sacrifice a goat, possibly. Now, if Vim is the cult of key bindings, then Emacs is the entire religion. If you use Emacs, you don't code, you create art. You've probably written your own Emacs extensions in Lisp. You don't just open files, you open entire ecosystems. Need a calendar? Emacs. Need email? Emacs. Need to order lunch? There's probably a plugin for that too. You're the kind of person who hears "just use a GUI" and responds with 300 lines of eLisp. Honestly, Emacs isn't even an IDE, it's a philosophical commitment. And if you are sick of alt-tabbing between your IDE and the YouTube tutorial, you were inspiring from Scrimba, today's sponsor, has a better idea. What if the video was the IDE? Enter Scrims, interactive screencasts where you can pause and edit code right inside the video. Like hacking the Matrix, but legally, of course. Want to be a front-end dev? Build an AI startup but don't know what an AI agent is? Scrimba's got full career paths for you. From front-end wizard to full-stack Chad to AI megamind. With structured paths, bite-sized lessons, real-world projects, and AI feedback that reviews your code and prompts you to get better. Links below, go touch some scrims. Let's pour one out for Eclipse. If you're still using Eclipse in 2025...
Stop it. Get some help.
You didn't start with Eclipse. Eclipse started with you. You probably had to use it in school or because the lead dev at your company refuses to upgrade anything past 2009. You have patience. You have strength. You waited 5 minutes for it to open, and you stayed anyway. You are a hero. Then there are the wild cards. Notepad users, I don't know who hurt you, but we're here for you. If you're writing full applications in Notepad, you either work for the government or you're legally classified as chaotic neutral. Oh, and watch Severance, by the way. Trust me, it's good. Nano users are usually SSH'd into a server, fixing a live bug at 2 a.m. with 6 heartbeats per minute. And Sublime Text users? You still haven't bought a license, have you? That, "would you like to buy Sublime Text?" pop-up is basically part of the UI now. It's tradition. But jokes aside, here's the truth. Your IDE doesn't define your worth as a developer. It just says a lot about how you like to work, what you value in your tools, and how deep you're willing to go into the rabbit hole of customization. Some of us want quick, snappy tools with AI assistance. Some of us want full-stack IDEs with database introspection and code analysis. And some of us just want the terminal. That's okay. In the end, it's not about your editor. It's about how much time you spend customizing your theme instead of writing code. So whether you're out here rocking dark mode with neon syntax or living in the terminal windows like it's 1984, just know we see you. And we're judging you, but in a fun way. Now drop your IDE of choice in the comments, and I'll overanalyze your entire personality like I'm doing a tech-themed astrology reading. And if you're still out here using Dreamweaver, blink twice. Help is on the way. Oh, and before I go, I must absolutely tell you that